Aloha! Howzit GrassHopper? grüß, Gott, 안녕하세요. I was in the middle of 14 years of blogging cameras when I ran into the Moment Drone Anamorphic Lens on Amazon on sale for less than $30 with the shipping. This lens was around $200 about 2.5 years ago. It was an accident waiting to happen. NX 20mm lens with the Moment Drone Anamorphic Lens works as it should. However, close-ups are extremely difficult to achieve. I won't go into detail about the Samsung thing about the lens in manual focus mode going into continuous autofocus. But here's a workaround for NX1. First, in manual mode, focus on the object. Second, press the standby mode on the navigation wheel, this one. Third, press the AF on. Now it is in manual focus record mode until the camera is turned off. If you turn back on the camera, repeat the 3 steps. That's it. Too easy. And you can de-squeeze any anamorphic videos using my tutorials in the Giggle playlist. Thanks for visiting and watching my channel. We'll see you next time. Aloha.